Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, save anything possible with Ctrl+S, then pause. If Excel refuses to respond, open Task Manager and end any obvious hogging processes, browser tabs, heavy services, or duplicate Excel. EXE. Once done, disable external drives and network links to remove I/O delays. This isolates corruption or slow network files causing the hang. Make sure to note which add-ins or files were active so you can re-enable selectively later. These swift actions, once Excel is in safe mode, you bypass add-ins that often freeze the app. Now use File Open, select the problematic workbook and choose Repair. The built-in repair attempts to extract workable data. If repair fails, try Open and Extract Data option. Next, relaunch normally and disable COM and Excel add-ins one at a time. This pinpoints the offender. Also check for linked data connections and volatile formulas. Complex links can lock Excel. Make sure to restart Excel between each test so results are clear. Finish by applying updates. Install Office and Windows patches and reboot because many hangs stem from outdated components. If the workbook still misbehaves, copy sheets into a fresh file. Paste values first to avoid transferring corruption, and rebuild formulas selectively. If problems persist system-wide, create or reset your Windows user profile, or perform a clean Office reinstall. This clears profile level or installation corruption. One key tip: if Excel crashes during these steps, check Event Viewer for module names to target the failing add-in or DLL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.